Welcome to the customer self-part replacement process. This video will provide you with tips for performing a successful part replacement. First, ensure that your workplace is free from clutter. Before you begin to work on the unit, ensure that it is unplugged from the wall outlet. Do not remove the spare part from the anti-static bag. Keep it in the bag until you remove the replacement part. Ensure that you are properly grounded before you touch the spare parts in the anti-static bag to ensure electrostatic discharge does not damage the component. Proper grounding is possible by using a properly connected ESD wrist strap or as a workaround by touching an earth pin on a wall outlet for 2 seconds if available in your country. Alternatively, you could touch another piece of metal that is unpainted and connected to the earth in your close environment. For example, you can touch the unpainted part of a metal appliance such as a dishwasher, washing machine, or the hinges of a refrigerator. Again, ensure you are grounded before opening a laptop case to avoid ESD damage to any of the electric components inside the laptop. Put the defective part immediately into the anti-static bag. Review our support videos available on youtube.com/hbsupport. The next guidelines apply only to returnable parts. If your return instructions list the defective part as non-returnable, please dispose of the defective part responsibly. After finishing the installation, you'll package and ship the old part back to HP. Use the return label, which should be in a plastic pouch outside of the original box that the replacement part was shipped in. If the return label is missing, contact HP support for help. Make sure to read the return instructions carefully, and stick a carrier return label over the original shipping label. You can contact the carrier by phone, schedule a pickup online, or alternatively, leave the part at a carrier drop-off point if available. To recap, assure the power cord is unplugged from the electrical outlet. Do not remove the replacement part from the anti-static bag until you are ready to replace the part. Make sure you are grounded before and during the replacement process using one of the methods previously mentioned, and carefully read the return instructions, which could be found in the plastic pouch on the side of the box, to know how to proceed with the defective spare part handling. Following these guidelines will help ensure a smooth replacement process.